Hi there, students. Volatile. Okay, in chemistry, a substance that is volatile is a chemical or a substance that evaporates easily at room temperature. So it has a low boiling point. So, for example, ether is a volatile solvent. But that's a technical definition. We more commonly use volatile, meaning rapidly changing, going up and down, going from one state to another, changing very quickly, particularly with price. They often say that the stock market is very volatile at the moment. It goes up and down very rapidly. The share price is very volatile. 1 minute it's €3 and an hour later it's 6, and then 2 hours later it's 25 cents, up and down. You can also use volatile to talk about a person's character, their mood, or their affections. So he has a very volatile love life. First he's in love with one girl, then he's in love with another. He's always changing. Or a volatile person, their mood changes very rapidly. One moment they're angry, the next moment they're happy, the next moment they're sad, the next moment they're frightened. So an unstable, volatile temperament, always changing. We can also use volatile to mean tending to violence, or has the possibility or capacity of violence. So the situation in the place is extremely volatile. The demonstration is at a very volatile moment. They could start throwing stones at the police at any moment. The negotiators are trying to negotiate a peace treaty in this war, but the situation is very volatile. You can also use volatile meaning temporary or fleeting. In computers, you have volatile memory. Okay, this is memory in the computer that when you turn it off or when the power is cut, it's not saved. Yeah, it's not permanent. So maybe you're writing a Word document, and suddenly the electricity goes, and you realise you haven't saved, and you've just lost the last 25 minutes work because it was in volatile memory and you forgot to save it. Okay, this word volatile comes from Latin, volare, to fly like a bird from one place to another, to another, to another, not necessarily having a stable level. Notice, volatile is an adjective. I would say its neutral formality may be slightly formal or technical, but you could use it in an informal conversation. You could probably use the word changeable as well. It sounds very good in a formal document for something that is not stable, is always changing. So, volatile. A chemical that evaporates easily at room temperature. A volatile chemical. A volatile share price, one that's moving up and down. The price of gold is very volatile. It moves up and down. He's a very volatile person. He's always changing his mood and what he thinks, and angry and sad and happy. You could have a volatile situation that is about to explode. It's about to tend to violence. And then volatile, temporary, fleeting. Volatile computer memory. The bits on your computer that are not saved unless you specifically save them when you turn it off. So they're not permanent. So there you go, volatile. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Volatile.